Cities have buried much of their history beneath skyscrapers, but not in this little town in Lithuania. At the heart of the lake, there's an orange glimmer. It's a castle. A small glimpse into the country's rich past, when its borders extended all the way back to the Black Sea. A few steps here on the wooden bridges will transport you back in time. Inside the castle walls are well-preserved rooms. And in the summer nights, you can listen to a concert in the courtyard. Surely, this is one of the most beautiful castles in the world. Welcome to Trakai.